put this donut on my face, Kira.
Yes, I did. So.
I see y'all.
Kira,
What?
why you would do this to me, Kira? Why you would do this to me?
I don't know.
No, I don't want any more, guys. I'm not asking for a donut facial this morning.
Yes, you are.
Hold on.
Okay, my foot is gonna go on your face.
Well, this kolache's about to empty.
Oh, it's a kolache. I already had a kolache. I'm good.
I want it.
Hi, Bea. Say hi, Bea. Bea, say hi. Booty.
What are you doing?
Backing it up. Hi, Kirsten Stein.
No.
Oh, you found
Kirsten, throw up some deuces to the camera.
it.
Throw up some deuces. Deuces. Throw
Peace.
up- Peace. Ayla. Oh my god, what is that?
Frost.
I'm having a donut facial, Mom.
Okay.
Kira!
You're bless you.
Donut facial.
So, it has come to this. I'm glad y'all think it's funny.
Yeah.
Put the camera down. It's going down.
Hey, what'd you have for breakfast?
Here.
What'd you have for breakfast except the obviousness all over your face?
I want your
Obviousness.
dog.
You can have my dog.
Go hide.
I want your dog.
Kira, are you scared? Are you scared?
He's gonna beat
You're
us
not?
up.
Are you sure?
Coming.
Are you sure? Are you sure? You're not scared?
scared.
Scared?
No,
Not scared of
I'm
me?
not scared.
That stinks.
I'm not scared.
They cut his tail off.
I'm gonna put my foot in your face.
You're putting your wet hands on me. Roscoe has a twin brother.
He does.
Guys.
Cause sassy girl.
Since you know that, what do you
Hey,
call
look.
my cousin? Sassy girl.
I still have donut on my face.
I wash it off. I wash it off.
You will. You're so sweet.
Give me. Get it off.
Guess what, everyone? It's going on Facebook.
Caleb's boobs are gonna show it.
Farted.
Our nannies. What's going on?
Hide your nannies.
Mommy. Can I play on the iPad now? Kaylin, stop! Hey, Kelly, what's all over your face?
It's a donut. It's good for my skin.
Mom,